Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Facebook spying on your information. And you have to forgive my hoarse voice, but we'll get through this video. Anyway, it turns out not only there's the scandal with the Cambridge Analytica with Facebook giving up 50 million names, turns out they've been collecting your precious data too. Doesn't matter if you use Facebook on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Facebook has an extensive list of data concerning you and all your actions that you've ever taken on Facebook. And in some instances, perhaps, especially with Android users, it's collected your text messages and your contact information as well. We're going to switch screens here. I'm going to show you how you can download the information that Facebook has on you, and then you can decide what you want to do in the future as far as Facebook's concerned. Let's switch screens like we always do, and we're at Facebook. So Facebook obviously is at facebook.com, but where you can go to download your account information is to click on the settings tab, which is here. And then once you're under settings, after a few seconds, you'll get an option on the main screen, general account settings, where you can download a copy of your Facebook data. Once you click on that, you can tell it to download archive. You click on download archive, it'll ask you to enter your password. And what it will do is it will send you an email letting you know that that information is available to be downloaded. Once you get the email, then you can click on the link in the email, and you can then see in the form of a zip file all of the information that Facebook has on you. Now let's go to another tab here, and this is how Facebook breaks it down. Now I'm not going to click on profile because unfortunately it shows my personal cell phone number. It does have our business number at Integral on there, which I can share, but I'm not about to share my personal cell phone number. Sorry, people, you don't get access to that. Same thing with contact information. It'll show that. But as you can see, as far as photos are concerned, I've uploaded quite a bit, and it shows that they're mobile uploads. 1972 photos that I've downloaded. But also it'll show videos that you've uploaded, shows your friends, and this is everyone that I've friended since Facebook has been around. There's messages, and as you can see, these are all the messages that have been interacted or that I've sent out over the past few years, people I've poked over the years, events that I've attended, and then security is that it shows when and where I've accessed Facebook. So it shows I've used it on Chrome, I've used it on Firefox, I've used it on my mobile device. So it knows pretty much everything that you do. Now here's the thing that's most disturbing is the ads. So those are ad topics that I've looked at, but if you can scroll through, those are the list of ad topics that I have. And I think these are related to Facebook ads, but as you can see, the ad list is pretty darn extensive. But if we get to the bottom here, and goodness, it's just taken up forever and ever. But if we get to the bottom, there we go. There's ad history. So clicked ads that I've clicked on. And then, even worse, there's advertisers with my contact information. So for some reason, Shania Twain's got my contact info and Miranda Lambert, which is pretty odd because I'm not a country music listener. But there is some of the other things like Spotify I really don't mind. But anyway, and Walmart, Mile IQ, Shadow of War Mobile. So those are advertisers with my contact information. And that's the thing that has people worried because some list for advertisers is very, very extensive. So I'm not too worried here because there's not too many advertisers with my contact information. And that's pretty darn good because I've been on Facebook since 2009. So to wrap up again, what you need to do to get this information is to go to settings. And once you're under settings, then you can click on download a copy of your Facebook data. It will take a while to get the email. It took me about an hour to get the email from Facebook letting me know that all my data was ready. But then I'm pretty active on Facebook. So you it may not take as long for you as it did for me. And then to actually download the data, it took probably a good 20 to 30 minutes to get the information where I could look at it and see what's going on. Now, the good thing about the data is that it is an HTML format, so it brings it up in a web browser like you see here. If I can scroll up and get to the top there, man, that's extensive. But as you can see, it breaks it down, and that way you can just click on the links to kind of see what information Facebook has on you. So take a look at it, see what you've got, and at least you have the knowledge of knowing what information that Facebook has been collecting about you. Now, it has been in the news that some Android users, the app has been collecting mobile text messages and mobile contact information. So if you're an Android user and you run this, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Would love to hear and see if that is actually true. And if you have any other comments about Facebook, whether you're going to delete it, whether you're concerned about the information that they have, leave that in the comments section below as well. If you like this tech tip, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, either at Integral, the company there, and I can never point in the right corner. There. Or you can subscribe to me, Burton Kelso, the technology expert at YouTube. We're all over social media too, so be sure to check us out on all the social media platforms, including Facebook. We're not going anywhere. We're staying there. There's tons of tips and tricks and cybersecurity alerts that we're always posting on our page. So be sure to follow Integral or Burton Kelso on all of the social media platforms. Folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. Remember, Facebook is watching you. And thanks for watching me.